Today in this video I am going to show you new and improved AI music generator in Filmora Mobile App. First launch Filmora Mobile App, then open your project. As you can see, this project has no music and we are going to use AI music generator to get royalty free music. Click on audio from menu, then select AI audio option and AI music generator screen will pop up. Here you can select mood from 8 options: happy, sad, exciting, chill, epic, peaceful, hopeful, and emotional. Select mood according to your video type, then select the music theme from 5 options: vlog, cinematic, dance, travel, sports. Then with the help of time slider you can adjust the music duration. You can generate music up to 5 minutes and minimum of 20 seconds. Then select the number of tracks you want to generate. Once done, click on generate and AI will generate music according to your preferences and another screen will pop up. Here you can listen the AI generated music. Then click on plus sign to add music to the timeline. And then adjust the music according to your video length. Now let's play the video. That's simple to create AI music in Filmora mobile app. And this feature is going to be improved more in upcoming time. Download the Filmora mobile app now and explore new and improved AI music generator.